Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on Circle model. Let's start with the introduction. Determinants of service quality point different ways in which consumers judge the quality of service provided. Beru, Parasuraman and Ziatmal distinguished 10 criteria applied by consumers in assessing quality. They are reliability, competence, courtesy, credibility, security, tangibility, access, communication, understanding the customer, and responsiveness. Now, due to a large degree of correlation among the most of these variables, they condense the 10 dimensions into 5 broad dimensions called the Rater model, which stands for reliability, assurance, tangibility, empathy, and responsiveness. Now, let's start with reliability. Reliability out of all the 5 dimensions has consistently been observed to be the most critical determinant of accessing service quality. Reliability means the ability to perform the assured services responsibly and correctly. It is a pointer of how well a company delivers its commitment. Let's look at an example. The most reliable airlines for 2019. A UK-based medical travel insurance provider, GetGoing, found Japan Airlines to be the most reliable airline in the year 2019. It also named the airline as the number 1 best airline overall. It was counted based on the percentage of flights delayed, percentage of flights cancelled, average delay, waiting time, safety ranking, and customer rating. Japan Airlines had just 10.54% of flights delayed, around 1% of flights cancelled, and had the lowest delay time of 31.7 minutes. The airline safety ranking garnered a banging 10 on 10, and its customer rating was good at 7 out of 10. Next up is assurance. Assurance is nothing but the staff's knowledge which qualifies them to perform the services efficiently. It is the ability of the firm and its employees to instill faith and assurance in the minds of the customers. Staff competence, credibility, courtesy, and security are the key traits that customers derive assurance from. This particular dimension proves to be critical for services such as banking, insurance, brokerage, medical, and legal sector. Example for assurance, the list of the world's safest banks for 2019. As the potential of macroeconomic disturbance were higher, the global finance ranking of the world's safest bank is particularly valuable in 2019. Here's a list of the banks that made it to the top 10. Next up are tangibles. The presentation of physical facilities, equipment, staff, and communication elements define tangibles. All services have a portion of tangibility, although the significance for the same may vary. Tangibles are usually utilized by service organizations to heighten their image and signal quality to customers. Example, Etihad Airways, the residence. The airline provides a luxury 3-room apartment in the sky. Accommodating up to 2 guests, it highlights a shower room, a private bedroom, a separate living area, a VIP travel concierge, and a dedicated team that takes care of everything one could possibly need. It also provides a chauffeur-driven limousine to the private airport lounge. As always, innovative luxury travel doesn't come cheap. For a one-way flight from Sydney to Dubai, this innovative luxury, the Resident, charges around $23,000 one way. Etihad seeks service very sincerely for its first-class passengers, and its butlers are trained at the world-famous Savvy Hotel. Thus, attention to detail is eminent. The next dimension is empathy. Empathy is often explained as walking a mile in someone else's shoes. The thought is that one can just really understand someone's pain if you've experienced it yourself. This stands equally true when dealing with the request or complaints. Empathy is the ability of understanding consumer needs and offering personalized care attention to them. Employees are required to be considerate about customers at all touchpoints. Easy access, communication, and understanding the customers fall under the purview of empathy. Let's look at some of the examples of empathy. Example 1. Southwest Airlines comfort through turbulence. 9-year-old Gabby, who had type 1 diabetes, was extremely anxious about being on an aeroplane. A Southwest airline flight attendant, Garrick, went leaps beyond his call of duty and worked throughout the flight to make her more comfortable, getting her special drinks and trying to distract her by making her laugh after he noticed her struggling during takeoff. He let her sit in the empty seat next to him when the plane hit a serious patch of turbulence and even let her grab his arm for comfort. At the end, after a safe landing, Garrick used the PA to tell the whole plane that his new friend Gabby had just defeated her fear of flying and that she deserved a round of applause from the entire plane. Example 2. United Airlines delays flight for dying mother. United Airlines flight had a passenger named Kerry Drake who was flying to see his mother who was experiencing her final hours. He knew that if he missed his connecting flight, he would possibly not see her before she passed. After his first flight's delay, Drake broke down into tears on the plane. The flight stewardess soon noticed his condition and quickly found the reason for the same. Within minutes of this episode, Drake's difficulty was conveyed to the captain, who radioed ahead to Drake's next flight. The flight's crew acknowledged by delaying the flight's departure just to make sure he got on board. After realizing how much went behind getting him on the plane, he was overwhelmed with emotions, and this encounter reflected the human side of the company. And the final dimension of the Rater model, responsiveness. Responsiveness is the enthusiasm to help customers and render timely services. Being the last dimension, it emphasizes on attentiveness and agility in dealing with consumer needs, requests, problems, and acquisitions. A company's responsiveness is calculated by the duration of the time the customer has to wait for proper assistance. Let's look at an example for responsiveness. Under Wendy's umbrella. During a heavy rainstorm, one fine day, a Wendy's employee pulled out an umbrella from the store table just to walk an elderly gentleman to his car to protect him and keep him warm against the harsh weather. The employee put his task aside and went outside to look out for an old man from the rain. A passerby was able to catch this heartwarming moment and posted on Reddit, which instantly went viral on the internet. That's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on Rater model. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.